Hey everyone, this is DJ Lee. Today we're making kare-kare. Thank you so much to my dad for helping me cook this dish. Join me because this is one of our favorite Filipino dishes.
Kare-Kare's DJ.
You can get some.
Everyone, so to blanch your vegetables, I realize it's very easy. So first you boil your water, you dump your vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can dump them all together or you can do them separately just like how I'm doing now. Make sure that it's very quick. 2 to 3 minutes will do. Get your iced cold water in a deep bowl ready because as soon as the vegetables are 2 to 3 minutes in boiling water, then you're gonna have to grab it and drain it using your ice cold water. So it's gonna turn out to be crispy yet tender. It will stop it right away from cooking further. So blanching is the best way to cook vegetables on kare-kare. So you're gonna see that I'm gonna try to do it in this dish. I'm gonna try to blanch the vegetables. It's my first time blanching, so bear with me. But it turned out to be really, really good, just the way we want it. The eggplant, it's a little bit overcooked, so you may want to try to, do it fast on the eggplant, okay? So my last tips in making kare-kare is you want to keep an eye on it because it may dry up on you. Make sure you have enough water. So really I just put about 2 cups and that was enough. It didn't dry up on me. I used high heat on the crock pot for about 4 hours. So if you feel like it's cooked at 3 hours, you can stop cooking. You may add more mamacita kare-kare. You can use peanut butter if you want. You can use, fish sauce if you feel like it needs more saltiness on the dish, but for us, it was perfect just the way it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I love you guys, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. See you guys soon. Bye.